Hey, you can hear it. And I put these damn things on, and they sound damn near better than my DJ monitors that I use, some Sony MDR 700s, I believe. So I'll probably be copying me a set of these for my DJing stuff. This wrong, I don't give a fuck. It's got some deep hard basses, and I use that for reference. And you can hear that coming from the headsets. But when you put these on your ears, it isolates the sound, and shit, they hurt. You feel the damn the little speakers in there rattling your damn eardrums. I mean, you can feel the vibration. So it's real deal, people.